What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And we're gonna be harvesting citrus. Big harvest, no whammies. Come on, check the citrus out. Come on. All right, y'all. I have a lot of citrus in my head that need to be harvested. Let's start off with these grapefruits over here. Now this is a UGA pink, UGA pink frost grapefruit. I was checking them earlier. They all soft to the touch. Now I've never grown grapefruit, so I've never harvested grapefruit before, so I'm gonna say it's ready. First cut of my first grapefruit, and y'all right here with me. Woo! It's not super big. Not super big. Put that in there. Let's get these other two. Another decent size. I was expecting them to get way more yellow, but they are soft. And the last one. Yeah, these are super soft. I gotta get these off here. Alright, 3 grapefruit off the UGA pink frost grapefruit. And it's putting back on bloom. Okay, I see. I see you do your thing. I ain't mad at you. And this is a Thompson grapefruit. These are super small. Well, they're about the size of one of my lemons. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just thrown off by the color. Maybe in the greenhouse, it doesn't look that yellowish, but I guess it is yellow. It's yellow. I'm tripping. All right, we got one more back here. Come on, baby. Come on, come to daddy. Oh, I gotta cut you.
Now I got to cut you.
I gotta cut you then. It's another one. All right. Y'all want to harvest some lemons now? Do y'all want to harvest some lemons? Say it in the comments. Do y'all want to harvest some lemons? Let's get some lemons, y'all. And this is a Harvey lemon. This is not a Meyer lemon. Okay. Let's get that one. Oh, that's a nice lemon. Matter of fact, that lemon is the same size of the grapefruit. Yeah. That's crazy. I'm not gonna harvest all these though, cause I got 3 more back there, and I've got some of these pineapple oranges. They're not that big. I'm gonna give them some more time. I'm not gonna get all the fruit. All right. And this tree needs some water. Oh my goodness. It's been sitting in this hot greenhouse. Yeah, I left it closed up one day. So, is she ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Got a little green on it. I'm gonna leave you on now. Yeah, this tree looked horrible too, man. I gotta put some water out here. Alright. We got some more lemons over here. I don't feel like they ready. We're gonna hold off on them. They ain't ready yet. I'm gonna give it a little time longer. But what is ready though? These UGA lemons though. Whoa, see, I just pop off of my hand. Nah, just for comparison's sake. That is a Harvey lemon. And this is a Harvey lemon. And this is UGA frost lemon. This UGA frost lemon is bigger than all the grapefruit. That's a huge lemon. Now, it didn't get many, but I'm gonna take these 3 huge ones. And they ready, they're just falling off the vine. That's another big one. But just compare the Meyer lemon, and this is first year fruit of this Meyer lemon, so take that into consideration. But these are way bigger. Way bigger than the little mild lemon. Yeah. All right, y'all. These are my Satsuma, Silver Hill Satsumas. And they are small. You know why they're small? Because I didn't thin them out. And I've eaten some of these already off here. I had them in, if you can see that, you can see where I took them off at. I had these in clusters of 3s. And recently I just took some of the fruit off to eat it, to taste it. And it tasted pretty good, y'all. I even tasted some with a hint of green on it, a little orange on it. Yeah. They tasted fine. I don't know. So I'm gonna harvest some more. I'm not gonna harvest all of them, but they're super small. Super small. But I'm still gonna eat them, and next year I will definitely be thinning this fruit out. Ah, I messed it up. But look how good that look. Yeah, we're gonna eat that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry at all. It's definitely gonna get ate. I should be using my snippers for this, which I am. Hold on. All right, I got my snippers now. Let's roll. I'm just gonna let it fall. And I don't know how it shows up on camera, but a lot of these are really orange. So I'm gonna get them. And I know you're saying, let it sit on the tree longer. No, I'm just gonna eat them. Don't even worry about it. I'm gonna get, I don't know, maybe 10 off here. Yeah, let's get one more. All right, I'm gonna taste some of the lemons and grapefruits in the house, but I want to taste the miniature Satsuma out here. Excuse me. But it's not sweet, but it's definitely delicious. Would it have tasted better if I left it on the vine longer? Maybe. I don't know. Tastes pretty good now though. Alright, let's go on the house for a taste test on the grapefruit and lemon. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna taste these lemons. But this is a UGA frost lemon. And this is a Harvey lemon. I didn't pick any Myers today. See the difference? Which one you want? Alright, I got my trusted assistant on stage, my daughter. She don't want to be on camera, but throw this way. There you go. But so she gonna taste it with me. Ooh. That's what she looks like on the inside. Ooh, she looks pretty. She looks pretty. Pretty. Yes, she is pretty. Yes, she is pretty. Alright. I'm gonna take half. Give her half. Alright.
Get the seeds. I need a napkin to get the seeds.
Okay, she said she need a napkin to get the seeds. I don't care about the seeds.
I'm trying to take the seeds out.
Oh, that's good. It doesn't taste bitter like a lemon. It tastes like a grapefruit-ish taste. But it's different. I mean, don't get me wrong, it has the hint of lemon, but it's not bitter like. Alright. That lemon is delicious. That's the best tasting lemon I ever had. Hands down. I don't know, how do you feel about it?
It's a lemon and it tastes sour.
My daughter says this is a lemon and it tastes sour. So we won. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the Harvey lemon. It looks like a lemon on the inside. Give one to my trusted assistant. She said the first one tasted sour like a lemon.
Tastes sweet and sour, but like more sweet.
Correction. She said the first one was sweetish with a hint of sour. Now this one, it tastes like a lemon. Nothing spectacular about it. Just it's way more bitter than the first one. Way more bitter. So, which one you like the best? The first one or the second one?
The second one.
The second one. She like the one that I don't like. All right. So now we're gonna try this grapefruit. Now it should have got more yellow, but it is super soft, y'all. I really want to take a chance on it. So, should we peel this?
Are you supposed to peel it?
All right, we'll just cut it. Oh, now that look right. It got deep hints of pink in it. Deep hints of. This is a pink, UGA pink grapefruit. Trusted assistant.
It's supposed to be pink.
It's supposed to be pink. It's called a UGA pink frost grapefruit. It's supposed to be pink. I'll give you a little smidge in there, but how about that? A little smidge of it, a little smidge.
I'm asking if it's supposed to have yellow in it.
It's supposed to be yellow and pink, trust me.
It tastes like an orange.
My daughter said it tastes like an orange. That's a big win. This grapefruit is delicious.
It's like an orange but sour.
I feel like I picked this at the perfect time because of the pink tones in there, and the pink, it stands all the way out. I know some people gonna say, bro, you picked it too early. I picked it at the perfect time. It is delicious. Look, hold on, let me get you. Just taste a little bit. Wait a minute. Just taste it. Taste it. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Alright.
If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.